today, because it's Youth Week, I don't think people have a really good perception of OT, of o rangatahi, so their relationship's been a bit strained. So we just wanted to get out into our own community and show the community that, we work for them, we're an agency that tries to help them. So we decided to put on a 3v3 basketball competition. We invited all of our community providers that look after our kids as well, that are in homes or their stuff, to come and just have a nice day of activity and just get active and just enjoy the environment and just have a good time, really.
Every year we celebrate Youth Week at the same period of time. Our awesome team at Ōtara Tamariki every year has done a 3-on-3 competition that has a collaboration of a whole wide range of different youth organisations. So they bring all their rangatahi down, but there's an extra part to this. So our New Era Collective, they are a local Ōtara collective based here. They run a lot of these different kaupapa that you see behind me. They've actually put on, in addition to the existing event that our Oranga Tamariki team have done, collab, made it a bigger thing for our Ōtara community. And this is what we call the glow up. Keep it fresh!
I just love the vibe, the energy that all the young ones bring. I love serving the community. I love giving back to our young ones, all these opportunities that they have now. It doesn't matter what background, what culture you're from, we come together and, just celebrate Youth Week. So, that's what's up, mate. What's up, this E-Man? Shout out to the Scorpions under 9s, Ōtara. Keep it fresh. Let's go.
There's a lot of, I guess, whaamangai and Samoan, a bit too cool to do stuff. But over here, they can be kids, they can properly be teenagers. They can engage with other teenagers. So we're just trying to get back to that, at the essence of who they are.
Today's just an amazing opportunity to do what we always do anyway, which is activate spaces that need to be activated. Ōtara Town Centre, we got this incredible basketball hoop. Not many town centres have that. So we also acknowledge that there's no one organisation that can do everything, right? So it's really important that we collab, that we work together, that we make our resources stretch, and that we add into the mix all the things, special skills, abilities, talents, mātauranga, so that we can do the one thing, see our communities thrive, especially our rangatahi.
Keep it fresh!